Okay, this goes on this side.
Let's put it on this. Put it on this side. Put it on this.
Okay, snowplow.
Another snowplow.
I think it goes on this side. Yep, right like that.
How many snowplows were just in the wheels?
Yeah, guess this would have been easier with the wheels off, wouldn't it?
Can you help me?
Sure.
It's hard to put it in the wheels.
There we go. Okay, other side.
Yeah, the other side of this. I grab it. Other side coming through. Other side coming through. Because first we have to do those.
Yeah, where do those go?
It goes on
Oh, oh, on the wheels?
there. Yeah,
Okay.
because so they can shut better.
Okay, let's do the middle one. See how they're different? These have weights on one side, like there and there, and these don't. These are the plain ones. So let's put the plain ones on first. And they go on the middle. The middle wheel. No, the middle wheel. This one. Okay, another plain one on the other side. Well, we can do this.
It goes that way.
Okay, that one.
Because it looks like that. It looks like the rose. It looks like.
And then on the front. Hershey's looking better all the time.
Rather than the other wheels.
Okay, in the middle.